Jeff Bezos, Nvidia, Meta, Samsung, and even AMD are all backing the same AI startup. Not because it's building the next ChatGPT, but because it believes the future of artificial intelligence depends on something much more fundamental: the materials used to build AI chips. That company is called CuspAI, and after raising another $450 million, it's now valued at $2.6 billion. So why are some of the biggest names in technology betting on a company most people have never heard of? Let's break it down. CuspAI is only 2 years old. Based in Cambridge, England, the company has now raised more than $580 million since its launch in 2024. Its latest $450 million Series B funding round was co-led by Kleiner Perkins and NEA, with backing from Jeff Bezos through Bezos Expeditions. That single round pushed the company's valuation to $2.6 billion, making it one of the fastest growing AI startups in Europe. Unlike most AI startups, CuspAI isn't building chatbots or image generators. Instead, it's trying to solve one of the biggest problems facing the semiconductor industry. Today's AI chips require highly specialized materials. Finding those materials through traditional laboratory research can take years. CuspAI says artificial intelligence can dramatically speed up that process by predicting which combinations of atoms are most likely to produce the properties engineers need before physical testing even begins. The company calls its AI platform MIRA and says some industrial partners are already using it to evaluate potential materials much faster than conventional research methods. Alongside the funding announcement, CuspAI also launched what it calls the AI Materials Foundry. It's a coalition of more than 45 companies, including Nvidia, Meta, Samsung, Hyundai, Applied Materials, Tokyo Electron, and Lam Research. The goal is simple: share computing power, research, and scientific expertise to accelerate the discovery of new materials for semiconductors and advanced manufacturing. One detail has attracted particular attention. Both Nvidia and AMD are involved. Normally, they're fierce competitors in the AI chip market, but when it comes to discovering next-generation materials, both companies appear willing to work toward the same long-term goal. According to CuspAI CEO Chad Edwards, around 80% of the company's research this year focuses on semiconductor materials. The objective is to reduce dependence on rare metals whose global supply is limited and often affected by geopolitical tensions. That may also explain why the UK government's Sovereign AI Venture Fund participated in this funding round. Governments increasingly see AI infrastructure as a strategic national priority, not just a commercial opportunity. It's important to keep one thing in mind. CuspAI has not yet produced a commercially ready material. The company remains in an early stage, and independent researchers say AI still cannot replace real-world laboratory testing. But investors clearly believe the opportunity is significant. Instead of focusing only on better AI software or faster processors, they're investing in the physical materials that could power the next generation of AI hardware. Whether CuspAI can actually deliver on that promise remains to be seen. But one thing is already clear. When Jeff Bezos, Nvidia, Meta, Samsung, and dozens of other industry leaders all invest in the same startup, the technology world pays attention. And if CuspAI succeeds, the future of AI may begin not with better software, but with entirely new materials. Thanks for watching. Stay ahead of the market. Subscribe to our channel for the latest business, finance, technology, and AI news from around the world.